Athens gang member was arrested this week for a drive-by shooting that occurred on the west side nearly a year ago. According to an Athens Clarke County police official, the arrest of 20-year-old Tyrek Antoine Woods was made after investigators received the results of crime lab tests of evidence collected at the Magnolia Street crime scene last November. Woods is a member of local street gang called Too Tough, and last November 8, he and fellow gang members allegedly fired more than 24 bullets at a home on Magnolia Street where a member of the rival NBA gang was staying with his grandmother. The drive-by was one of several shootings over the past 3 years stemming from the rivalry between the two gangs. The shootings claimed 2 lives, one to gang members and the other an innocent bystanders. 2 months ago, 7 people were injured by a gang shooting that occurred outside a home on Trail Creek Street where a party was held. Police said they collected 26 cartridge casings from the scene of the Magnolia Street drive-by and sent them to the Georgia Bureau of Investigation Crime Lab for analysis. On Friday, police obtained warrants for Woods' arrest after receiving a crime lab report linking some of the casings to a gun that was in Woods' possession soon after the shooting. That gun, which was reported as stolen, police said, was in a car occupied by Woods and another Too Tough member that was stopped for a traffic violation 5 days after the drive-by on Magnolia Street. At that time, Woods was arrested for theft by receiving stolen property. The car's other occupant, Tom Arlo, was taken into custody on a probation violation, but was subsequently charged for the drive-by shooting because he made an admission about it when talking with Woods in the back of police car where they were being secretly recorded. The warrants recently served on Woods charged him with 6 counts of aggravated assault, 1 count for each person inside the home he allegedly shot at, and 1 count of violating the Georgia Street Gang Terrorism and Prevention Act.